Motley Rue, where are you? It's time to hit the road now. Motley Rue, so much to do. Let's see where this day will go now. Rolling on down the highway, dog ears in the wind. Let's find another sweet surprise. Motley Rue, where are you? We're chasing every scenic view. Motley Rue, just me and you. Cruising in the van like we always do.
And it was right here. It was like,
you use it like a nightstand?
I used it for my kitchen.
Life happens, coffee helps. That's a nice setup. Loves cats. Got it all decorated. Look at that little miniature ironing board. Oh my goodness. She's got all pink. How pretty. Very nice. Everything is pink. Oh, look at her roses around the top.
Yeah, that's one way.
And this I found, and it's like I think it's for like your computer. You put your stuff. So I found that.
Wow.
$5 thrift store.
You have it so pretty.
Everything is almost
I love
thrift.
you.
Everything is like.
You don't like pink, do you?
Yeah. I love the lights.
I actually don't.
You actually don't like pink.
Refrigerator freezer.
Oh,
Oh, I
really?
thought that was it.
In my house, pink, no. Do I wear pink? Maybe underwear. But no.
It's really
But
pretty
in
though.
here,
You got to go for the design. If you're going to go for it, you got to go all the
if
way.
you're going to building a playhouse,
Yep.
it's got to be girly. It's got to be girly
Yeah,
girl.
you go here. You may see it on my channel too, because I toured around inside. Motley Rue, where are you? That's my dog. Motley Rue's my pup. But I have a
Where did I stick it?
I have a Town and Country, Chrysler Town and Country, but I have it built out for two, so I don't have as much pretty stuff as you.
Well, yeah, everything
But-
stays where it is.
Yeah,
I
that's
moved
nice.
nothing. A couple
Oh,
sticky-
really? You don't have to worry about it?
No,
Huh.
it's not tied down. I've got.
What do you?
Most of it is just there.
What do you hold it down with?
There's some sticky alien tape glue.
Oh, okay. I probably need to get
Little
some of that
jute,
stuff because I
piece
have
of
things that
Bread wrapper.
I have
wire.
to bungee everything and all that to keep things from moving. And what's your name?
Betty. And
Betty,
you could go around to
okay.
the other side and look.
Yeah, I did. I went both sides.
Oh,
I
did
walked
you?
around it already.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that little ironing board.
So-
I'm not
yeah,
taking
no,
in
that's so
ironing,
cute.
It's for,
That's
it's
so
a
cute.
little table if I have to
Right.
cook or clean inside.
Where'd you find that? Because
$1
that's like the.
at the thrift store for $1.
Oh my goodness, because that's like must be like a kid's ironing
it's
board.
The child size, and
But
it
that's
just
like the
folds
perfect
up.
size to like fit
Yep,
here in your
when you're
door
sitting in
wells.
there,
Yeah. Yeah, I've
And
been
then on
looking
the
for
other side,
something
it
like
just
that. But
wedges
that's
in.
very pretty. You got it going on, that's for sure.
And then there's no security system. Did you get the security system?
Oh. What's that?
Those
Oh,
things.
oh. This is her security system.
My neighbor's car was
That's
stolen.
funny. But what a great idea. That is a great idea. Oh my goodness. Well, thank you.
Yeah, I've had on one of those.
The only things I didn't do was put the 2 windows in and the vent.
You mind if I step inside?
Yeah, go ahead. Just be careful. Watch the boxwood.
So this is Lori, and she built this out all on her own. She said she did the electrical and all. She has the puck lights and the wood pine ceiling. She's got, looks like a full-size bed. Look at that. She must collect. Oh, is that her curtains? Oh my goodness, how cute. Well, that's the cutest idea I've seen for curtains ever. They're just strips of material. Ain't that the cutest thing? Lori is from Ohio. And she has a full-size refrigerator.
it's not perfect. Like I said, it needs a lot
I
of work.
love your curtains.
Oh, thank you.
That is the
Did you
cutest
do those
idea
too?
I've ever
Yes.
seen.
I just
They're-
tore material,
Yeah,
about
just
2-inch
strips of material,
and tied it to the.
like a quilt hanging on a curtain rod.
Yes.
Okay. Oh my God.
You gotta go
And
ahead
I've
and
got
look.
Look
my-
at your refrigerator.
I know.
Yeah, I love that refrigerator.
Oh,
I
look
wanted
at your
a big-
Volkswagen.
Yes. I wanted a big
Yes.
upright refrigerator.
Yes.
I'm not going to be digging down into a
Right.
cooler.
you can
type
see what-
fridge.
What kind
So
of fridge I
you can
have?
go on in.
Now, how long ago did you
You did
buy
all the
this and-
wood?
It was 2 years. It was 2 years in
years ago.
October.
You did your wood?
Yes.
and how long did it take you to build it out?
Well, I'm still in the process of building it out.
I'm making myself at home.
But I mean, to get it to this point, you
2
the-
years.
the
I
initial-
just finished
oh
the
yeah.
cabinets right before I got out here.
Oh okay.
So I was working on it September, October, November.
This is a Ram 3500 ProMaster. High top, so you can stand up inside of it. Do you have a stove or
No.
is this a sink right here?
I've got a sink I have
Okay.
yet to be installed. I've got everything I need except for the plumbing from the 5-gallon jug, and I'm just going to
Okay.
use that blue container
Yeah,
up front
to-
for the
For your
How
gray
many
water.
gallons
Gray
does that
water.
hold?
Yeah.
5 gallons. 5 gallons.
I left a.
And this,
one
you
in
said you do have a stove, or you don't?
No, I've
No,
got a
okay.
little propane
Just
grill
use
I use
propane.
outside. Then I've got
Okay.
a little 10-inch electric skillet
Oh, okay.
that I
Yeah.
plug into my.
See, and I
Yeah.
use my
Blueberries.
home
And you said
go
your
around-
power, you had what on?
I have
Solar?
600 watts of solar and 3 100-amp batteries in back, lithium ion.
And you wired that all up yourself and installed it all?
Like I said,
got me
YouTube,
That's awesome.
YouTube is my best friend.
You got me thinking maybe. can I
Do you have a
take
diesel heater or anything?
No, I don't.
heat?
I
Where
freeze
did
my
you
ass
get
off in the
that?
morning.
okay. Okay. Well,
See, my
that
phone's
might
doing
be your
this
next
stupid
thing, huh?
Does
I don't know. I
Have
want to
you
get
considered?
Starlink
Yeah.
because I'm
Yeah.
not wired to the internet, but I like my games. I like
Oh, yeah.
making sure I'm connected when I need to be connected.
Right.
Do you guys, anybody?
I brought the cabinet fronts with me so I can put my cabinets on out here.
You built this.
Yes. And
You do better than my husband.
Oh, do you have a YouTube channel?
no, I don't.
You know, are you thinking about doing one? Or?
No,
So this
I'm
is an
not.
You're not
oven.
that.
Yes.
Okay.
And it air fries, it bakes, it broils, it reheats, it roasts, and it toasts. And the
Okay.
damn thing is hot as hell when it's just heated up for 2.5 minutes because I burnt my finger on it the other day.
So do you even want a stove? Why would you want
No.
a stove top?
No.
Yeah.
I've got a
listen
Blue
to
Eddy
me.
over here. I got EcoFlow over there. If I
Oh,
want
I have
something,
the EcoFlow.
I've got a hot water kettle I can plug in. I
Yeah.
plugged in my little electric skillet this morning to heat up my fajitas we had the other night for breakfast.
Mhm.
I don't use that much power. Everything is
And I don't use that much power. I mean,
Yeah.
I
12 volt.
Everything.
this I
And
don't
the
need.
minute I flipped my switch on and my lights worked, I'm in here,
Doing a happy
yeah,
dance.
doing a happy dance.
Oh my God, the neighbors are
The
calling the
neighbors,
police.
I went because my
can't
neighbors are
believe you
very
did it.
friendly, and
Yes.
I walked across the patio. Said, "Hey guys, I just gotta tell you, I got lights."
I
He's-
love these lights.
And Aaron said, "I thought I heard somebody holler." I said, "Yeah, because they turned on."
Oh my God! And
That's
then
funny.
is this a C?
It's a CO and fire alarm
Yeah.
both.
Yeah.
And these
Awesome.
curtains up here are just regular blackout curtains,
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
and they got a magnet in the middle that holds them together at night.
Well, you're gonna laugh at my little place. It's a mess, but you can.
But
Yeah.
And
gotta
then you
get-
got your.
I put my
Mhm.
mirror up here. It stuck right. I said, I'm just going to put it on my cabinet front.
Why not?
Because, I mean,
It's perfect.
yeah. It's like, what the
Except I
hell?
don't want to see
Your
my
mirror.
face.
I don't either. It's
like-
kind of like, it shows me from here up.
Yeah. I am.
Well, thank
okay,
you, Lori, for
You're
letting me
welcome.
video.
Does it have a name?
Tommy.
Colleen, tell me the year, make, and model again of this.
This is a 1985 Vanagon, and it's right now she's got 77,000 original miles. So those came with Kalina. her little window shades.
Those are the cutest.
Yeah, I haven't seen them anywhere else. And that's my solar panel for this
Yeah,
year. This is nice because
I've got wood screens on mine, but I just don't use it very often unless
that's
it's summertime.
just-
And
that's
That's
40
nice.
years old. But
and
look
it
at
has
you
a
go.
little curtain that goes across to
Yeah,
keep the
it
sun
steps
out.
in. I didn't have it all the way.
There we go. Boy, that slide's nice. So Colleen stepped away, but she said I could take a peek inside, even though she hasn't straightened it up. She said she's on the road and she goes as she goes, but here is the inside. That's her bed. It's a double bed that's built into the van. She's got a little dresser back there. I think she has air conditioning and heat in the back. There's a stove top over here, and this where the little towel bar is a refrigerator, but she says she uses it for dry storage. She has an LP Cool refrigerator that she keeps on this little cabinet that she stores things in. She's got the little ottoman. I'm sure she probably uses that for storage. Or, I don't know, maybe that's her potty. And the curtains in the front. It does pop up. Has another bed up there. She said when she takes her grandchildren camping, they can sleep up top. And it's just a really, really cute. There's storage in the back. Just a really cute, very cute, cozy. Very, very cozy. But, yep, I love it. I guess maybe that's an awning. Looks like there's an awning on it. So very cute. Colleen said she was a surfer in California. So, and the name of her van is Colina. She said that's Hawaiian for Colleen. So, very, very cute. I like her curtains. Very, very cute. I love it. But hello.
Hi. She got me laughing.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do.
Is this your van?
Yes, it is.
Okay. I was going to say, it looks kind of familiar. I think I may have seen you. What's your channel name?
Vanessa's Vanlife Journey.
I believe I have. Well, I know you all are wrapping it up, so I was going to try to... Oh boy, she's got fancy. Where's your bed?
Actually, the bed is behind the wall right there. I take the mattress down and put the mattress on the floor and sleep. And then that whole area turns into a bed as well, so somebody can sleep up there.
If she wants. But this is her
Very
bed.
good. Oh, okay. So you just lay your mattress out in the floor. Huh, that's different. But you got a whole kitchen. Do you cook a lot? She's got burners and everything.
And then she's got this pop-up bar right here.
Yeah, I see
And she put a
that.
bar stool in
And
it.
she's got this out here. Is this a...
She said that seats 500 pounds.
Oh, yeah. So like storage and all. Okay. You got her mirror up. That is some fancy stuff.
Letting God use the courage to inspire.
You got the solar on top. That's one fancy gold van. There we go. Thanks for watching.
Rolling on down